Welcome to the Sugar Turtle Studio. It's a small space into which I've managed to pack everything that I need to run a stationery business, design business, as well as every art supply that I own. It's my space to create, and it houses all my inspiration to do it. I'll show you around, but before I get started, I thought I'd better check off the essentials so that you know that I'm a credible creative. Cookie cutter furniture to which I've applied decorative knobs to make it fucking artsy. Desktop trash can. Too much washi. So many drawers I can't possibly remember where anything is. My Etsy shop always open and definitely not done just for this shot. More fountain pen ink than I can use in a lifetime. Now that we've got that covered, let's dig into what I think makes a great creative space. Decoration is a must. I want bright. I want colorful. I want it to be like I'm a bird that's built a nest out of all the things that inspire me. I've got work from other artists, work from myself, souvenirs from places that I've been, pictures of people that I love. I want to just paint every surface with it. I've got all the tools I need for doing business, printers and sticker machines and cables and paper and a whole mess of ugly stuff, but I try to keep that as hidden away as possible while still being functional. And I want completed products stored away but as accessible as I can make them. Like this drawer filled with stickers and washi. Not the stuff I use, the stuff I sell. Another must-have is plenty of blank notebooks. This whole shelf is blank notebooks, and I want it to be like my own stationery store when I go to pick out a notebook to use. I've got notebooks I want to try, ones I have tried and liked and stockpiled, and notebooks I've made myself after taking a bookbinding class. I've got 6 desks packed into this tiny space because I love a desk and I'm addicted to them. This one I love because it's a hidden desk. I don't actually usually sit at this desk to work, and so you'll see that the drawers right now are empty, but I love the storage options here. I do keep some things stored in there sometimes. And in the case above, I keep my collection of little wooden boxes and jewelry boxes and drawers that I've stuffed with all different manner of things. I like to go scavenging in them when I'm feeling like I need some inspiration. You'll see here, like I've got some little pads with little designs on them that I've collected. And in this box I keep some of my favorite vinyl stickers that I save for special occasions. I want to put something on the front of my notebook, I go on in there and I just dig around and I find something. Desk number 2 is hidden away as well, though not as cleverly as the first one. This was actually the first desk I bought when I moved into this new studio, and I've packed it pretty well full of everything you can imagine. Up top we have some notebooks and journals that are filled up. We've got our washi cases in here, we've got some sticker books. We've got drawers that are filled with ephemera and stamps and stickers. They're very loosely sorted into groups that make sense to me. I've got these bamboo utensil holders that I've repurposed to hold some art supplies, some washi, some markers. And then we filled these drawers with lots of different things. Stickers and ephemera, and that whole drawer right there is sticker sheets. This drawer in the middle is a whole mishmash of things, including letter stickers and ephemera and collage material. That's my drawer of words right there. Some colorful dots. I've got a whole drawer of colorful dots. And there's some miscellaneous stuff. We've also got this tray that I use at this desk to hold some stuff that I'm currently using. I bought it at a craft store and did a bad job trying to decorate it, but it's useful on this desk, slides in and out. down below, we've got more storage. That's one of the key things to keeping the studio pretty, is having plenty of place to shove and hide your junk. Although, let's be honest, I clearly clean the studio just for this video, and it's usually much messier than this. But that's desk number 2. And this little cutie is desk number 3. It's my engagement desk. That is the desk I got instead of an engagement ring, which I would have no use for. It's from 1890s France, and it is my dream desk. It's got this pull-out section, get that writing surface right over to you, and it's got all these drawers. In here I keep my fountain pen inks and my sort of fountain pen paraphernalia, extra nib units, converters, things like that, eyedroppers, ink vials, cartridges. I love this little drawer that has like the secret compartments in it, although they're not really that secret, but it's still fun to have them hidden. And then bam, ink. I also keep my strangely large collection of tarot decks in here. I'm not exactly a tarot deck believer, which may be surprising when you see that I have 2 drawers filled, but I think they're a helpful creative tool. Desk number 4 is this desk right here. It's a newer setup for this desk. It used to be where I kept my computer, and now it's where I do a lot of my art journaling. So I've got all my supplies in easy reach. I've got some washi there and a little bowl. I've got these drawers filled with random bits and pieces. Over there's my scrap entourage. And then, yes, my desktop trash can from before. I can fill one of these up in an afternoon, so it's not that practical, but it's a lot cuter than a real trash can. And this is also a standing desk. I'd like to say I use it like that pretty often, but I like to sit down a lot too. Now, you probably think this is a chair, but you're actually wrong. This is desk number 5. This board turns into a very comfortable place to sit and write. Desk number 6 is actually a table. Please don't tell it, it thinks it's just like the others. This is kind of an all-purpose space. It currently is holding my computer and the microphone I'm using to do this voiceover. The monitor is on a swivel so I can turn it and use it from any part of the studio. And this desk usually has my planner on it and whatever else I'm working on. My favorite part of this table desk is that it's extendable. It's currently got 1 leaf in it, but it has 2 more that store away neatly underneath. So this desk can actually extend across the whole room for even more workspace. That's all for now. Thanks for coming along with me and peeking into my drawers. Wink, wink. Wait, did I just sexually harass myself? Oh well. I'll catch you next time, all you wild cats and kittens.